In this video, I will show you how you can scan WhatsApp QR code to add contacts or do similar things. So let's get started. First of all, open WhatsApp. Now tap the three dots on the top of your screen and go to settings. On the settings tab next to your account information, there is a QR code icon. Tap on it. It will lead to a screen where you can show your QR code to another person. Go to scan code screen and set up the account. Go to settings and give all the permissions to the WhatsApp. After allowing all the permissions to WhatsApp, you are ready to scan QR code. Tap on OK, and now you can scan WhatsApp QR code to add contacts to your WhatsApp chat. Hence, in this way, you can scan WhatsApp QR code on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching the video.